This is Yujun Wang, and this is my YouTube video for Chapter 6, Exercise 13 for Computer Science 110, Section 1, Spring 2019. So this question asks us to write a function which is slope x1, y1, x2, y2 that returns the slope of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2. It would require us to test this function, and another function which is intercept x1, y1, x2, y2, which will return the y-intercept of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2, and also we need to test the function. And so first, I write the slope function first. Define slope function x1, y1, x2, y2, which will return the slope of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2. So the formula for how to calculate slope is the difference value of y2 minus y1 divided by the difference value between of x2 minus x1. So after this, we will return the slope, and we will start our testing. Like here, and define the test function, which will print the result of a test. So if the function did pass, it will say test at line. This means each line, and it will return OK, and else it will return failed. And then we can define another function which is test suit, which will run the suit of tests for code in this module. Like I copied the test the book require us to test, which is slope 5342, which the slope of this the slope of this one is 1. And for another function, for another slope function which has 1, 2, 3, 2, the slope should be 0, and for the 1, 2, 3, 3, the slope should be 0.5, and for the last one, the slope function 2, 4, 1, 2 should have a slope of 2. Before we did the next one, we can first test if the first one is right or not. So the first function is okay. So now I will explain the second one. So for the second function, it's the intercept function, which has x1, y1, x2, y2, and which will return the y-intercept of the line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2. So for the formula of the intercept, we can insert all the values into the function. So it should be y equals x plus b. So b is the intercept, and the y1 is y, and the slope which we have already figured out is this one. So y1 minus slope multiplied by x1 should equals the intercept, and we need to make sure in either way it will become true. So there's another one which is for the x2, y2. So y2 minus the slope multiplied by x2 should equals the same intercept. And then after these we'll return the intercept, and as usual, as the same before, we can test this one. And also I copied the examples the book wants us to test, which is over here. And then we can test it. We can run the program. So it shows that the last three is the intercept function. So actually all of the tests are okay. So that's our goal, and we make it true, and that's it.